because my parent of his ancestors are very good cookers. And in your DNA, no matter if you're a woman or a man, you have this knowledge or this passion. And if you don't use this passion, you can be very noisy and very something like, how is it? No, say insoportable, but somebody you want to come to your party and I'm like, oh, this person. It's very incómodo. Yeah. And well, they do a kind of other symbology system like the Beatles, like Dr. Pepper. What's it? Peppermint. Captain Pepper or something like this. Yeah. And this, you need to clean this. But just a little because half pounder. Yeah, it's very Sabrina Spellman vibes. I try. Oh well, Sabrina teenager because yeah. Spellman because his power is spells now. With words, affirmations and programmation like this. Yeah, do this. Every day. When you're alone, you're a very Matilda kind of person. You understand to stay alone in your home, and it's more easy clean because you don't go en contra the cool energy to very clear energy, the very auspicious energy, the kids energy. Yeah. In the okay. Yeah, in the Chinatown culture of symbols, by symbols, they teach me the child's power, and it's very nice. I'm very agradecida with child's energy. Okay, give me a second, I do other video.